Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing both your audio and video into Capcut. Drag them into the timeline immediately so you can hear how they align. Once done, move the audio under the video track and scrub to find sync points. Make sure to zoom in for frame-level accuracy. If you only need to adjust sound, lock the video track to prevent accidental edits. This saves time and prevents mistakes. It also makes layering multiple audio clips much easier as you continue. Now you trim and shape the audio. You split to remove noise or pauses, then delete or lift the segments you don't need. Next, apply fade in and fade out for smooth transitions and adjust the clip gain so voice sits above background music. For dynamic changes, add keyframes to raise or lower volume over time. Then, apply noise reduction and EQ to remove hiss and brighten voices. Make subtle changes. Extreme EQ can sound unnatural, so listen after each tweak. Finish by checking levels on the meters. You want peaks below 0 dB to avoid clipping, so reduce gain if necessary. Then export using a suitable bitrate, 256 kbps or higher for music, lower for voice-only projects, and confirm sample rate matches your source. If you notice audio drift after export, make sure all clips share the same sample rate and codec. Re-import or nudge clips in small increments to correct sync. If problems persist, restart the app and reapply recent edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.